Good afternoon. I'm Josephine by name, student under Miss Okonkwo Favor. I joined Miss Okonkwo Favor Graphic Design, and by God's grace, it has been overwhelming and also impactful on me. I've gotten an eye-opening when it comes to graphic designing, and the one that's in there is that she unleashes all knowledge pertaining graphic design on our students. She doesn't restrict. She makes sure we learn the best. She makes sure she gives out all she knows about graphic design. She doesn't restrain knowledge, rather dish it out to our students. And anyone that learn under her, anyone she tutors, they really get the best from her. And I'm so much glad to be one of our students, and I'm still learning, and I'm not giving up. Her encouragement, her selflessness is something to, like, we can overemphasize it. But I want to say thank you to her, and always thank you very much.